Replacing the Keypad PCB for i-Kiosk 100. Unscrew the 3 screws at the back of the i-Kiosk 100 by using a screwdriver. Remove the back cover. Unplug the connector for antenna, speaker, LED, Keypad PCB from the main controller unit. Remove the core board from the main controller unit. Release the flexi-flat cable connector latch by using the screwdriver, and remove the flexi-flat cable from the Keypad PCB. Unplug the connector from the Keypad PCB. Release the flexi-flat cable connector latch that is connected to the function key PCB by using the screwdriver. Remove the flexi-flat cable. Unplug the LED connector from the keyboard PCB. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the Keypad PCB. Replace the Keypad PCB with a new one. Tighten all 4 screws to hold the Keypad PCB firmly. Plug in the LED connector back to the Keypad PCB. Connect both the flexi-flat cables back to the Keypad PCB. Plug in the Keypad PCB connector. Plug in the Keypad PCB to the main controller unit. Attach the core board firmly onto the main controller unit. Plug in the LED, speaker, and antenna cable back to the main controller unit. Place the back cover back to its original position. Tighten the 3 screws. Plug in the power connector and turn on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.